Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I played in the Juvia's Place new palettes. I ordered just 2 of them because I'm not big on natural colors. I like big and bold. So, but I'll eventually get them. But I did get these 2 palettes from Juvia's Place and they are absolutely beautiful. And then I also picked up their foundation and their concealer. This was my first time trying their foundation and concealer, and from what I can see, from what what I've done, I like it. I mean, I had a little bit of creasing under here, but that's because of my eyes, the way they're shaped, so we won't have some kind of creasing. But at first I thought that maybe I had got this a little too light, but it actually looks really good once it was blended and everything. And then the foundation, I ordered it online and I wasn't exactly sure my shade, but I actually picked the right shade, which I was shocked. But it came out beautiful. I love their foundation, their concealer, and I'm obsessed with their palettes and all of that. And I also did use the P.louise MMMitchell acid range paint. I'm sorry, they're paint. So you'll see that in the video. And if you want to see how I created this look, then stay tuned. Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. So first we're going to start off with the P.louise base, and we'll go ahead and put that all over our eyelid so that we have a clean canvas to work on. Alright, so Juvia's Place didn't put names on the palette, but I guess we're going to say shade 1. So I'm going in with shade 1 and I'm going to put that into my crease. And then I'll go in with the next color and then I'll blend everything out. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with shade 6, and I'm going to take my small Morphe brush and I'm going to really put that into the crease to deepen it how I like it, and then I'll go back and blend and blend and blend. Okay, so now I'm going to take shade 2, which is the lighter pink, and I'm going to use that to soften the edges and to make sure that everything is well blended. Okay, so I'm going to take the Urban Decay Shapeshifter and I'm going to take that rose gold color to highlight my eyebrow bone. So we're going to go ahead and do that, and then I'll take that pink, that light pink that I had before, to blend it back out. Okay, so I'm going to go back in between all 3 shades that I put down because I want to make sure that everything is well blended. So I'm going to go back in with shade 6, I believe it is, to darken it up. Then I'll go in with shade 1 and then shade 2. Okay, so to cut our crease, this time we're going to use the P.louise Acid Range blank canvas, and I'm going to just stencil this on. I'm not going to actually do it how I usually use the base, where I just draw the lines. I'm going to just stipple it on. That way it works better for me this way. Okay, so now that I got that the way I would like it, I'm going to go back in with shade 6, and I'm going to put that on the outer part of my eye and then blend it in. Okay, so I'm going to go in with shade 3, and I'm going to put that in the inner corner, and I'm going to bring it up at the top of where the crease starts, and then I'll take the next shade and put that in the middle. Okay, so now I'm going to take shade 5 and I'm going to put that into the middle, and then I'll blend it into the other 2 shades that I put on the outer and the inner part of it. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of my face off camera, and then I'll be back with the finished look. Okay, so this is the finished look. I hope that you enjoyed it, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.